Well, Wooly here. Guys, sure you can see nothing. You can see nothing. 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 And the most important thing is my beautiful face. My beautiful face. Stay tuned. Guys, you are in like the most awkward position. Right, I'm in the shed, guys. I'm getting stuff organized. Why are you getting stuff organized, Wooly? I tell you what, guys, is that I have a in my chainsaw box, in the stuff that I take with me all the time when I'm running the chainsaw, guys, I have like a load of chains just laying about. You know what I mean? I have a load of chains just laying in the bottom of it, and I have to go out and run the Frankensaw tomorrow. And I thought, you know what? Now is the time, guys. Now is the time to sort of get that organized. So this is the sort of stuff that's laying in the bottom of the box, you know. So I thought, you know, like packets of files, random chains, scrunches, all this stuff, you know, that little thing. And this is the stuff we spare shot a 2-stroke. This is the stuff that gets lost, you know, gets lost in the bottom of a box. So I just want to sort that out. And what's happening, guys, is I don't know if any of you guys have the combi cans, the Husqvarna combi cans. These, right? So your file sits in there like that. Okay. So, but the file is like the skinniest of things. Let me adjust stuff. Guys, that file is the skinniest of things, and if it gets bent in any way, shape or form, snap it goes. So I want my files out of there as well. So I actually have a couple of snapped files. So right, not what this video is about. Well, it sort of is. What did I do with my marker? Keep losing stuff, guys. My God, I am impossible at losing stuff. Maybe I should tidy up my bloody workspace. That might have. What do you think, guys? Tidy up your workbench, Wooly. Stop being a dirty hallion. Okay, so what I want to put this in my pocket. Of course it's in my pocket. Guys, the Frankenweenie. The Frankenweenie is the only saw that I really bother trying to hand file, and I tell you why. Is that it's only like a 10-inch bar or something, and I really couldn't be bothered trying to do all the other ones, okay, because they're so big. So probably need to get the gullet a wee bit more on them. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing a wee bit better. Yeah, I can zoom you in, but you're way off looking in the wrong direction. You see that okay? I might actually just move these down. Let's bring this down onto the worktop. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so guys, Frankenweenie. So what I do is I unlock the move and then lock it again to keep it in place. 1, 2, 3, Just get the gullet out a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, and I'm running that at a 30-degree angle all the time. Okay, and it seems to be working okay for me, to tell you the truth. Now, I wonder, can we get you right zoomed, right. Too much, guys, too much. There's only so much zoom I can get you on, I think. So how does that look? Bruno's brushing against my leg there. Come on. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I just decided to give it a wee. It's been into a couple of nails, you know. So that's all I'm doing today. So just a bit of maintenance. Around the house, basically, guys. Now, chain sharpening, guys. Wow. What a divisive subject that is. Guys, I am definitely not an expert on hand filing in any way, shape or form. And Bucking Billy Ray is the complete another expert, guys. And if you don't know who that is and you're a subscriber to my channel, you really should, hey? And you really should be thinking about your life choices. Now, guys, what I have been doing, I don't know if this is any good or if well, it is good. It seems to be working okay. So you guys that are into woodworking and you use one of those little, I'll just set that up there a second. For you guys that are into woodworking, guys, and you use a sander a lot, I got one of those sanding silicone block, you know, for cleaning your sandpaper. Guys, it's good for taking the file, the steel off your file. There's something interesting just happened. Got a bit of bar oil on the chain there. So even though when I was using this last and I hit a screw, guys, there's not a lot of damage done to the chain, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Okay, so I do find it a little bit more awkward this way. Tell you what, guys, I'm going to rock away at this and I'll turn you back on when I'm done. No, I'm done. For any of you people that are absolutely masters of the chainsaw saw blade sharpening or chainsaw sharpening, guys, please, 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 please. Constructive criticism, please. Constructive criticism. Don't just say, oh my god, you're crap. Because I know I am. I'm only learning. Guys, thanks for watching. What the hell is that? I know what it is. How the hell do you use it? Guys, I don't really use jigs, to tell you the truth. I did have one of these at the beginning, but anyway, listen, guys, I'm gonna rock. What I discovered is that there's actually another broken file somewhere. So, guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Bit of chainsaw action tomorrow. Boom, 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 boom. Frankensaw is gonna eat. Stay frosty.